What the heck is credit repair, and most importantly, is it a scam? So firstly, to understand credit repair, we must know what a credit score actually is. Let's say your credit score is like you going to the doctor to get checked up, but instead of an actual doctor, the 3 credit bureaus review your financial history and rate its overall health. And so, credit repair is like exercising. If you have good, regular financial habits, like paying your bills on time, then you probably have a good credit score. If you have bad financial habits, like maxing out your credit cards, then you probably have a bad credit score. The problem is, unlike medical exams, 79% of all credit reports contain 1 or more inaccurate details. That would be like you going to the doctor after you've healed a broken leg 2 years ago and the doctor saying, "Well sir, I'm sorry to report that it says here that you've had a broken leg since 2 years ago. And plus, you're missing 1 eye." What the f? My 2 eyes are right here! The bottom line is, those errors can be the result of outdated or incorrect information, even sometimes identity theft. But no matter how they got there, the reality is, even one of these errors can dramatically impact your credit score and do long-lasting damage to your financial goals and your life. So to sum up, credit repair is basically the process of persistently and patiently proving to your 3 doctors that you're in good health by showing to them that you have good financial habits and by reporting to them any information that you find that is false or outdated. So, is credit repair a scam? No, the doctors are.